What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we're starting this one off inside of my office, my home office. And there's a giant kitty cat. The whole point of this video is honestly just to let you know what's going on. I'm very excited, and to also say thanks. So first of all, as you can tell from the title of the video, which I haven't really thought of what the title should perfectly be yet, but as you can tell, because I'm sure it'll be a little bit descriptive, I was chosen to be a brand ambassador for Corsa Performance. How flippin' cool, and what an honor. I'm excited. So what does that mean for the car, for the channel, for anything? Basically what that does mean is I am getting a new exhaust system. So that's kind of like why we're here. That's my little baby. That's kind of like why we're here. So I'm gonna show you real quick what I chose. It should be coming today. I believe it's on the way with FedEx, so that's awesome. But I'm gonna show you that, and I also, along with that, get a discount code. I'll share it in the description, but also, you know, just to say it, it's OCD, and you get 5% off on your order, which is good. It's kind of just a way of giving back. I love having some kind of discount code with whoever I kind of try to partner with, and I'm very excited about this partnership. So let's show you what's going on. It's kind of difficult to film in here because the screen's so bright, and I don't know, blah, 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 blah. So this is what I did end up going with. It is obviously the Corsa Xtreme setup, and I did end up choosing the black tip finish because I did want, obviously, to have black tips. I think it would look good. Now, I know some of you are going to be like, oh, well, you just put tips on your car. Yes, I did. The thing is with those, they're 5-inch tips. These are 4.5-inch. I did kind of want a little bit more room in between the diffuser. My tips were slightly touching. Nothing crazy, but they were. So we're going to talk more about that in a few downstairs. I'll show you what I'm talking about. But for this, I think 4.5 is going to be amazing. The sound of this exhaust is going to complement my build very well, and there's also a no drone technology, which I think is pretty phenomenal. It's pretty phenomenal. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can actually read that, but this exhaust does come with no drone technology. So it's an RSC technology, which is reflective sound cancellation. So, you know, basically the website will do a much better job of explaining this. So I will link this in the description as well, so you could read about this. One of the main reasons that I wanted to partner with Corsa was because of the no drone, or even honestly, I have a lot to deal with as far as drone goes with my car, because it's pretty extensive, the build at this point. So even some relief, having some kind of comfort inside the cabin for the fact that this is a daily driver in my car, and I do have my daughter in the vehicle. So that was the #1 thing. So I'm excited to try out this exhaust. I'm excited to see what's going on as far as whether or not the no drone technology is going to work, how it works. So I'm pumped. I have a feeling it's going to make a big difference, and that's going to be awesome because it's going to really give me the comfort inside the cab while maintaining the aggressive noise outside, which is all you could ever really ask for, if you ask me. Okay guys, this is awesome. Look at the size of this box. Completely ridiculous. I'm so excited right now. We're gonna open this bad boy up, see what the heck we got going on here. Again, I'm not gonna be doing an install, but we're just gonna see what's in the box. Of course, we've got these lovely, these infamous gigantic staples. All right, I was opening it. I totally forgot I didn't have a camera, but then it said, stop! So I remembered how to get the camera. So this is your lovely environment when you get the magical Corsa. Look at that, beautiful, right? This is some high quality IntelliPack. Pay for that quality, baby. I love it. So this is a whole thing about the warranty and installation instructions, which is very cool. Talks about, I guess, just everything you would need to know. Look at it, even talks about factory exhaust system removal. That is super cool. Tells you, it's even got little pictures, talks about clampage and for stuff for the charger. Look at all this stuff. This is gonna be for another video, by the way, for the active exhaust. I do have another thing brewing in the mix for that, but this is really cool. I gotta watch. I probably should take these out so that they don't clamp onto my nether region. But this is the decal that we got. I'm gonna check and see how big this is so I can make a determination on what size I want for my car. Maybe that'll be a good one. I don't know yet. So let's just see. I just kind of want to take this off. Make sure I can put it back the way it came in. So we're just going to throw it down because it seems like it's form-fitted. Oh, baby. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. This is nuts. This is crazy. I'll be completely straightforward with you guys. This is literally like the second exhaust system I've ever had, like an aftermarket exhaust system. Back in 2015, I had a Mustang GT and I had a Borla, but this is the way to go. It just looks good. I'm not gonna take these off, but as you can see, I did go with the black tip, and I think the way the rear is gonna be situated, it's all blacked out and it's nice. So it's got this like stealth, menacing look to it. So I didn't want to have silver or chrome on the back because there's nothing back there. Now on the side of the car is a completely different story because of the welds, but you know, it is what it is. These look flippin' incredible. And one thing I was having an issue with, we'll just talk about that right now, on my other exhaust tips were the clamps. The 5-inch tips, I don't know if it was the way it was powder coated or what. They were moving a little bit. I'm going to show you right now. So everything looks nice. We had this nice satin black, and then you start seeing this. So basically, this was on the driver's side. I noticed when it was there, it was this part of it, more toward the center, was coming in. So it was definitely touching, and I got to check my diffuser to make sure everything's good with that. But I didn't like this. So I don't know if this had anything to do with it, but this is where it clamps. And as you can see, they powder coated this. So it looks like maybe it wasn't a secure connection. That's my guess, is that, you know, it wasn't secure enough, and it ended up working its way loose a little bit. So that was the worst. And then the other side had a little bit of a damage as well. But as you can see, it just, I don't know. I think maybe the powder coating affected the way it was gonna grip. So I don't know. I really don't know, guys. But all I do know is the 5-inch tip did look good. It did give it a little bit more of a aggressive tone. It was a bigger tip, but I don't know if it was just a little too big. I don't know. So the great thing that I'm very excited about is this exhaust system has 4.5-inch tips. So, you know, they're still beastly, but they're oh, this thing's trying to fall down and kill me. They're still good, and I'm pretty sure they're a little bit bigger than stock, I think. If not, it is what it is. But they're black tips and awesome. I'm gonna get some crazy sound out of these. I am so excited. I can't even explain to you how, you know, not even just the exhaust, but being considered a Corsa ambassador is pretty cool, because when a company entrusts that level with you, where they trust you to represent their product, and this is a worldwide product, this is a very known product, and you know, like with the carven tips, I didn't want their logo. This I will rock. This Corsa logo I will rock on my car, and proudly. Now, one thing I do want to say is I don't think any of this honestly could have been done without my buddy SRTMUSH, Todd. This is a special shout out to you, buddy. I don't know if you even watch my videos, but you really are a great guy. I truly appreciate you, my friend. You take the time to chat with all of us, and it just reminds me of the way I want my channel to be, where, you know, we're very open up front, we're just doing our thing, and, you know, it's all about support in the community, and you're definitely a good one, bro. You're a good guy, you're a family guy. I have a lot of love and respect for you, so I appreciate the fact that you were, you know, pushing for me, rooting for me, helping me out. It really does matter. It means a lot. So I'm gonna link his information in the description below. If by some random chance you don't know about his channel, you're missing out, because the dude's got some crazy content. He's got a killer demon. He's probably gonna have even more crazy cars coming, because that's the way he rolls. But go give him a follow, and thank you big time to Corsa Performance. Like I said, just taking the chance on me and my build. I think this was like the missing puzzle piece. I really do feel like quality parts have to come together for you to have a quality build. And my exhaust wasn't sounding bad by any means. I really didn't need to do anything crazy, but I wanted to, because not only is it the sound, it's the no drone technology that I'm still learning about and I'm excited to test. It's the look of it. It's the fact that you have quality parts, quality materials on your car. That matters. It really does matter to me. And I don't want my build to be about shortcuts. I want it to be about quality, and that is what we have accomplished. Thank you to Corsa. You guys are incredible. So the last little thing I want to talk about, and this is going to be so exciting, I did run out and buy a digital sound level meter. So what I'm curious about is how much different is my stock setup right now as it sits. Now, I know it's not considered stock, but that exhaust to me is stock. So I want to see what that exhaust setup currently produces as far as a decibel. Now, this goes from a 30 to a 1, what is this? This is a 30 to a 130. So if my exhaust goes past 130 decibel, that's ridiculous. But I have a feeling it's definitely somewhere in the 110 to 120 area, which is still a lot. Still a lot, guys. That's a lot. But we're gonna see before what my car does, and we're gonna see after what my car does. And it should be a cool little test, another cool little video for you guys. And again, there's gonna be tons of videos. Really, bro? Box hitting me. There's gonna be tons of videos about this. So again, like I said from a million days ago, and I'll continue saying, this car is not about competing or beating anybody or setting records or bragging or anything. This is just for fun. This is for us to enjoy. We're gonna document it all, post the content. You should like it. I can't wait. I cannot wait, guys, to get good weather so we could start taking a lot of pictures for you guys. And videos, if you follow me on here, you get the videos. If you follow me on Instagram, you get both. And I'm excited about both. I truly am excited. So get excited. If you care about the build, follow. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this decision. Let me know what you think about our new partnership with Corsa Performance. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's just hope for a good year, guys. Look at this. Hold on, wait, it's peaking. There you are. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna pack this back up, considering it's not getting put on for, I would say, at least a week or two. But oh my God, how am I gonna do that? How am I gonna wait that long? This is gonna destroy me. I'll see you later, guys.